please go to the menu and select Student Staff Login. Then you're going to scroll down until you see VMware View, VDI. You're going to click on that. At this point, you're going to use your username, just your username, and the same password you used to get into Blackboard. So your username and your password, then you're going to click Login. Your window will say student, mine says employee, yours will say student, and it's like you're logging into a school computer. So you're going to click OK, and you're going to wait for it to load the settings. This may be quick, this may take a little bit of time, be patient with it, and it will eventually open up, and it'll be as if you're looking at a school computer here in a moment. And so you see that we have all the programs available through this portal that you would on a school computer. For example, Word. If I open the Start menu in the bottom left, you also see that we have Word is on there as well. We also have, there's Word. We have PowerPoint available to us. We have Excel available to us, as well as Access. These are all the programs you need for Health 107, or maybe other classes as well. I'm going to open up a Word document, and I'm going to select the blank document in this instance because I'm starting a new document. This is just to give you an idea of how you might save a sample document, so a test sample document. I'm going to go to the top left-hand corner and click on the icon for save, and be sure that you click the desktop, please, the desktop. And then I am going to save it whatever it is that I'm going to title it, and then I'm going to hit the save button. And then I'm going to minimize this window. So be careful when you make sure you're minimizing the portal window and not your browser window. All right, so you're minimizing it, and you can see it on the bottom there. Now I'm going to open up a Google Chrome. Remember, I'm still in the portal. So I'm going to my Gmail account, and I'm going to open up my school email account. I'm going to sign in. Go ahead and you'd sign into your personal email or your school email address. Remember, your school email is your username at gmatc.matc.edu. And then you're going to click on the Compose button. All right, you're going to click on the Compose button. You're emailing it to yourself, and then you're going to select the desktop. Make sure you select the desktop because that's the only place that it will hold that document right now. And then we're going to click Open. It's going to load and attach to our email. We're going to send our email. And then you see it's there, but the next time when you log out, or if the system logs you out, that document will be lost. It will no longer be on your desktop. There are benefits to using VMware. You can access programs you can only access on a school computer. However, there are also warnings. Please be sure to pause and read each one of these warnings so that you are aware of some concerns that are related to this. Now, once you've emailed the document or whatever program you're working with to yourself, in order to retrieve that, you would need to log back into the VMware portal through your computer. Remember, you access that through the matc.edu website. You would go through the same steps of logging into VMware. At that point, within the VMware portal, you're going to open up Google Chrome, and you would open up your email the same way that you did to email the assignment to yourself. Once you have found the desired assignment, you will click on it so that it downloads. You'll find that it downloads in the bottom left-hand corner, or it should download in the bottom left-hand corner of your VMware screen. And from there, go ahead and open it. And then you can continue working on the assignment at whatever point you left off on. And then you would go through the same steps of emailing it to saving it to your desktop first, and then emailing it to yourself at whatever point you needed to take a pause. If you have completed the assignment, you would, within the VMware portal, log into Google Chrome. You would log into Blackboard via VMware. Remember, you need to be in that VMware portal, and then you would submit it that way. It should be when you click on the submit button or find file button when you're in an assignment, you should be able to pull up your desktop and select the assignment from your desktop. If you are having trouble with this, I highly recommend that you come to lab so that I can walk you through the steps, because once you understand how to navigate through it, it's really not that complicated. If you need to, at any point, listen to this recording again, pause it, feel free to ask me questions. I am here to guide you. I hope this helps.